in this class, because I want us to save time, so I'm already making all the cuttings. So I have 3 colors here. I cut each one 10 centimeters here, 10 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So that's what you cut in 3 places. So when you have done that, to save time, let me take the two, put the two together, since I'm doing the same thing with them. So you fold into 2 equal halves, fold, fold into 2 equal halves, then you fold again, fold again, fold again. So we have that. Now the next thing you want to do is you take your ruler, draw a straight line here, draw a straight line. Can you see? And then you draw and join this edge to this edge. Can you see that? Then you now draw another one this way. So see what we have. Now the next thing you do is you cut. Let's cut this first. And then you come here, cut this. Don't cut through, just this triangle we want to cut off. So, and this. Okay, so this is what we have by the time we are done. So let's open up. When you open up, you have something like this. So what we want to do, this third one here, okay, no, before then, let's, oh, okay, let me do it this way. Put this, let me put my gum. And then I stick my paper to it. And then I bring the second one. Let me apply my gum here. Somewhere here. Then I bring it here. So this sharp edge is going. And then I just wash it. Okay. So done. Then the next thing I can do is to pin this down with my gum. So So that's our next design. Do that along the stretch of your border. Thank you.